Mommy?
Maganda yung bag.
Mommy? Mommy,
Get you another small one.
Maybe this one is much better. But this is my if mommy buy.
Punta sana kami ng Charlie, kaya nung parang sumama yung pakiramdam ko, nahilo ako. Hindi pa kasi ako kumakain. Dahil walang rice. Pumunta pa kami ng market to buy the rice. Eh, gusto ko sana pumunta ng Charlie kasi nga, I wanted to buy the, parang ang dark naman.
No, mommy nag-blur ata. Ano?
I wanted to buy the, anong tawag nito?
Dispenser to. Towel?
It's not double bubble. I wanted to buy nuts for my mom. Eh, sumama nga yung pakiramdam ko, kaya hindi na lang. Para talagang ang dilim-dilim. I don't know why. Medyo maliwaliwanag na siya kahit pa paano. Kanina, ang dark niya. Oh my gosh. Bibilisan lang natin para makapagsayang na ako, makakain na kami. Well, I'm super hungry as in. Bumili nga pala ako neto, oh. Luggage na North Pacific. Hopefully matibay-tibay siya. Maganda naman siya para kay Nesta. Bibilang ko na lang si Yaren pati si Barbie. You need the bigger one, like that. Diyan ilalagay yung whatever you wanna bring. Wag lang wag lang liquid. Bumili rin ako neto kasi gusto ng mama ko to, panglinis ng sunglasses. Ewan ko, sabi niya wala doon sa Pilipinas. Yung panglinis ng mga sunglasses ay glasses. Cellphone pwede din. Ito rice. Ito, bumili ako ng roasted pistachio. Butihan ng mama ko. Another wafer. Marami siyang mga tsokolata na binibenta pero hindi na ako bumili guys kasi ang dami ng chocolate. At saka, ayan, bumili rin ako ng shampoo kasi mura lang to and L'Oreal na siya sa Pilipinas. I don't know how much this one. Dadaling yun sa Pilipinas.
Excel yan?
Yeah. Ito, milfoil. Gagawa din si Barbie ng pastry.
Mama, have here, ha?
Egg. Na maliit. Ito pa, meron pang soda.
It's not.
Why you,
Gagawin.
and then chocolate para sa pastry ni Barbie. Sa ano to, Market to Ligo na kinuha. Yeah, that's it. That's it lang po. Slice it in half.
Like this.
No, like this.
Like chocolate.
Yeah.
It's okay, wait. Okay.
Guys, Ate Barbie's making, I don't know what she's making.
I don't know what's making.
Yeah, but this one is milfoil. And yeah,
like
and
it's Turkish, and my classmate used to do it. Her mom used to do it, and it's so good. Ada sa niya milfoil chocolate.
dapat 3 chocolate lang, not 4. Dapat nga 2 nga lang eh. Kasi it will melt eh.
Mami, yun na yun. Mami, melt.
Yeah nga, don't put too much. Not 4.
3.
3, that's fine, 3.
Yanan, please don't touch. It's like this. Okay, alright. Okay. Master. I get up. Oh, mommy, this is perfect. Perfect.
Yeah.
Bro, where did I? do like this sign, also to close. Wait.
So what?
Ito, i-design ko to mamaya because I need to do like this in the, on the, that, where we put.
Oven?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, the one, no other one.
This
Yan
is
bastard, ma.
it.
Oh, yours.
Okay.
Let's try it!
I
Ate
hope-
Barbie, what's
I hope
with?
it smelt. It melted.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, it didn't.
But it's
Can you put
okay.
it
But that's
back again?
okay. That's okay.
Mommy, it's not. It's not.
I think
good
it's
when
not yet cooked.
Yes, it's not.
Wait, I'll try.
Mas maganda pa nga pag melt yan, mommy.
It's not yet cooked.
Yes, I told you.
It's not yet.
I told you.
Can I try? Good?
Good.
Can I try?
Legit.
Small.
Legit.
Ah.
Wait.
First. Oh, did you see something
I'm
there?
legit. Hari design just copy.
But it's good.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Siya, masarap to siya lalo. Kung medyo crispy-crispy sa loob. Kasi parang hindi pa siya luto eh. Pinatay ko kasi kagad.
You have one pa naman eh.
Okay.
And I can to kay dati can to second and
Okay.
Mommy, guys, making me mad.
Bakit dito kayo kumakain,
Mommy,
Nesta?
I
Si
will
Barbie
see
umutot.
what's your reaction.
Bakit dito ka kumakain sa kwarto, Nesta? Nababa ka na kumain. Kasi ano yan, matutulo-tulo.